Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix the error Steam can't log in. Chapter 1. Fix Steam can't log in by checking servers. To begin, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Here you can check the real-time status of Steam servers. Chapter 2. Fix Steam can't log in from firewall. To start, enter the word firewall in the search. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on the option Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. After this, click on Change Settings. Then select Steam. Confirm that both boxes are active. Chapter 3. Fix Steam can't log in from Run. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click Run. Here, enter the command steam:/flushconfig. Now, when you click OK, Steam will open. Chapter 4. Fix Steam can't log in from Task Manager. To start, right-click on the Start menu, click on Task Manager, then search for any Steam service. If you see any, click Restart. Chapter 5. Fix Steam can't log in by reinstalling the app. To start, open File Explorer, then go to the path where Steam is installed. Copy that folder and paste it in another location to have that backup. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Then, enter Steam in the search. Here, click on Uninstall. Now, in the Control Panel window, select Steam, then click Uninstall. Wait for the process to complete. After this, go to the link that we leave you in the video description. Here, click on Install Steam, then click on Install Steam again. Now click on the executable. Follow the steps of the installation wizard. After this, Steam will open once it has been updated. Chapter 6. Fix Steam can't log in from the troubleshooter. To start, enter the word troubleshoot in the search. Click on Troubleshoot Other Problems. Now, in the Network and Internet section, click to run. Here, wait a while for the connectivity tests to run. Chapter 7. Fix Steam can't log in by analyzing the system. To begin, enter the word security in the search. Click on Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection section. Here, click on Quick Scan, then wait for the analysis to be completed. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.